Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well and doing so much practice for your upcoming interviews. Today this is our part 20 video of Azure Data Factory Real-Time Scenario series. If you haven't watched our earlier 19 videos on Azure Data Factory Real-Time Scenario, I would recommend you first to watch that videos because that there are so many concepts which are related to our today's video. Okay, so the data set creation, link service creation, and all which I will use from which I have created in that video. That thing we will use here. Okay, so today's video it is on topic how to split single rows data into multiple rows using mapping data flow in Azure Data Factory. So basically first we will try to understand the scenario. Okay, so basically if we have the data like this: employee id, employee skill, and then and employee name, and then employee skill. In skill we have multiple skill for single employees. So it will basically split up the data based on the skills. So suppose Pritam have two skill. So Pritam, one row would be Pritam, and a skill would be PySpark, and second row would be employee ID 1, then one second Pritam, and the skill would be ADF. Same like Sandeep for both the skill, the two rows data, the skills would be please splitted up, and two for Sandeep there would be two rows. Okay, like this Priya also. So let's see what we'll do. So basically if you have watched this merge multiple rows value into single rows using data flow, the same concept whatever we have discussed here, but today's topic is the opposite of this concept. Okay, here what we did, we with the we have the splitted data. We are just merging the data based on the skill set in a single row, and today we have merged data, but we are splitting the row based on the skill set. Okay, so let's see how we'll do. If you have not watched this video, I would recommend you watch this video first. I In the I button section you can get it. Okay, the link. Okay, so let's go. If you still have not subscribed our channel, I would recommend you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming updates. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll create one data flow. So in data flow we'll add the sources. So let's see, I have already created the data set earlier. So skill sk let's see, employee skill, I got it. So this file I have already uploaded in my in my source path. Okay, employee skill you can see. So employee skill CSV, and the same file employee skill CSV. Okay, so after that what I will do, if I will see the preview, let's see. Let it come. So you can see the PySpark ADF like that. Yeah, we are getting the data. First we need to, if we need to split it, so we need to make it as a array format, structural format. Okay, so for that I will use the derive column operation. So in derive column, what I will mention in skills expression, what I will give, s- I will give, I'll use the split function. Split. So split, I'll skill, I need to split, and I need to split based on the character comma. Okay, skill would be here like this. Okay, so now save and finish. Okay, so I have given, you can see it is coming, it will come as array format. If I will see the data now, so now my data is coming as array value. You can see PySpark, 0th index and 1 index, first index and second index. uh, Based on that my value I am getting. So now just I have splitted the data and created the array for this skill set. Now for each and every array element, the data I will get the separate data for employees. Okay, separate rows data. So for that what I will do, I will use the flatten transformation. So here what I will do, the in unroll you need to select the skill. Okay, now if I'll go for data preview, let's see. So now if I can see, I can see my data. Each and every every data is getting flattened based on the array element. Okay, so I am getting the data based on the skill set, how many skill sets are there. Based on that count we are getting my data in each and every rows. Okay, so yeah, I have splitted the data. So now what I can do, I can sync my data in my sync location. So whatever sync location you want to give, I want to give my sync location, my sync folder. Okay, whatever it is here, I am giving. Okay, now if I'll take this whole data flow in a single pipeline and I'll execute. So you just take one data flow activity and just configure it, data flow 1. Okay, uh, okay, there you don't need to mention anything. Little file it will take. Okay, why it is taking latest file, let me check. Okay, sync path I need to give this data set. Now it will not ask anything. The data, the sync path I was given wrong. Now if you run it, let it run. So one so now let it run, and this is our channel. uh, if you still have not subscribed or if you have not gone through our videos, I would recommend you gone through our videos, share with your friends, because without your support we can't grow. So I please share our video with your friends. Do like, do comment, whatever whatever videos you you required for your interview preparation you are asking. You can directly ask in the video comment section. Anything update, anything related to the video feedback, you can give in the video comment section. Please do comment, or otherwise we will not able to understand your feedback. Okay, and if any other types of content you required on data engineer, you can also mention that. We will try to make the video on that subject, and we can publish. Okay, so that everybody can see. Okay, so let's see our pipeline run completed. You can see pipeline run completed, it is showing in the sync path. Yeah, I'm getting the data. Okay, So I'm getting the data. I'm getting the data in partition basis because in the in the sync data set I have configured it like that. If you want, you can configure your employee sync in other format also. If I will remove it, I will configure it once again. Azure Data Lake. So like this, if I will configure the data set once again, ds em employee skill sync, and I will mention the data set once again from here, demo and sync branch. Okay, and I will remove remove this data from here. Once again, if I will run the pipeline, I will get the data with the same folder file name only, because it is not manipulating it, and it is not getting will not put it in the partition based format. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, the run was completed. Now if we go, you can see. Okay, it's still giving us the Swiss format partition. Okay, so as I didn't mention there the folder name, so it is taking it is putting the data like this. Okay, but you can parameterize the sync path and give the specific the file name, then it will take based on the file name. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, if you still have any kinds of doubt, you can you can comment on the video comment section. I will reply on that. Okay, if you still have not subscribed our channel, Cognitive Coders, please do subscribe our channel and help us to make the community bigger. Okay, and also if you can follow me on LinkedIn, you can join our Telegram channel for daily basis update. All the links we have given on the video comment section. You can book our session on TopMate. All the sessions are free. You don't need to pay a single penny for that. Okay, so you can also connect me via Instagram. All the links are given in the video description. You can get it from there. Okay, other videos links are also given. Useful videos links are also given in I button, in description also. Okay, so thanks for watching our video. So for now, bye, and stay tuned with us for the upcoming videos.